Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Google Meet. Considering that you don't want any contact access with this person or in this email. So first, head into the Meet application. And then after clicking this, you just need to click the menu icon that you can see in the top left corner of the screen and then open the Settings tab. The Settings tab will contain this calling settings, so click this. And here in the calling settings, you will see the Block Users tab. Click the Block Users. And as you can see, there are no any users that I have blocked for this account. And in order for me to block someone, click the Add icon in the top right corner of the screen and search for a contact or input their email that you want to be blocked in your Google Meet account. This is for me. Then click enter and select this Gmail account, and you can check this as report as a spam and then just click the block button, and that's it. That's how you can block someone in your Google Meet account, and thank you for listening.